I think you guys each get your own eyeball. This is Eliana's class, and they're going to be dissecting a cow's eyeball today. You got it on. Eliana, what are you looking forward most to about dissecting the eyeball? The what?
Pupil.
Oh, the pupil. Do you know that the pupil is a hole that you can stick your finger in? All right.